I feel like it sounds like teeth chatter.
Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Keystone Montana 3781RL. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification because we have more videos coming your way. Now, let's get started. On your outdoor entertainment space, we do have two awnings out here, and there are LED strips under both of those. So if it's a little dark outside and you want to lighten up the party space, you can do that. We also do have an indoor-outdoor speaker system out here. So if you want to listen to music both inside and outside, you can do that as well. And there's lots of storage, so let's check some of that out. So one of your storage spaces is over here on this passenger side in your outdoor entertainment space. This is a little bit smaller, but it does have a location for a TV, so if you want to add that, you can. And this is where your intervac system is located, but I'll tell you a little bit more about that inside. Now, let's check out your pass-through storage. In the front of your Montana, you have a massive pass-through storage space. Anything you're going to want to store, it's going to be able to fit down here, and things tend to get a little dirty at the campground, but no worries. They've given you a very easy to clean out flooring in here, so if a little dirt gets back in here, you can easily wipe that out. You also, over on that side, do have your convenience bay. That's where all your hookups you're going to need while you're out at the campground are located. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk into your Montana, over on your left-hand side, they've given you this nice handrail. This is perfect for when you're stepping in, you need to grab something to hold on to. That's right there next to the door. Also, to my right-hand side, we have tons of storage. You do have a storage closet right here. This is great if you want to use this as a coat closet, but it's also washer-dryer prep. So if you do want to add a stackable washer and dryer in there, you can definitely do that. Up top, we have a very deep storage compartment up here. This you can put all your bags in or anything you just kind of want out of the way. You also have another one right there to the left, and this is also another storage closet, but it holds your control panel right here. So this is where you control all your lights, awnings, and your slides. Now, let's check out the kitchen. You have a gorgeous kitchen in here, and check out this island, you guys. This island is huge, and it has tons of storage over on this side. You have plenty of drawers and areas to hold all of your cleaning supplies. Up top, we have lots of countertop space, and they've even given you these nice boards to cover up your sink. So if you want to use this as just a nice straightaway counter, you can do that. We also have a sink with a detachable nozzle. And one thing to note, this island does have rounded corners. So if it's right at hip hop, like it is for me, you're not going to hit your hip on those sharp corners. Or if you have some little kids, they're not going to bump their head on anything sharp, which is a nice plus. Over on this side, we have lots of more storage, and you have a gorgeous fridge. This fridge is absolutely huge. Both sides is the fridge, and underneath you do have a large freezer drawer. Moving on to the rest, we have lots of storage over here. Big compartments in here and lots of countertop space. If you're gonna wanna host a big meal, you're gonna have plenty of room to have a buffet. On both sides of the counter, we do have these electrical outlets. This also does have a USB port and a USB-C port. So if you wanna plug in some coffee machines or your phone while you're cooking, you have the space to do that. We do have a splash guard on your 3-burner stovetop. This is a gas stovetop, so it is very nice. It looks like something you would have in your home. You have an oven underneath with a little drawer to store some pots and pans. It's kind of thinner, so you're probably not gonna fit a lot in there, but it is a nice little added touch. Up top, we do have our microwave and a nice little spice thing up here. It even says spices. Pull that out and you can have everything nice and tucked in there. Now, let's check out where we're gonna be eating our food at. Across from your kitchen is your dinette. This is the perfect area to eat, and check out the windows beside of us. You can have those gorgeous campground views. And you can kind of see this is only set up for 2 right now, but we do have 2 foldable chairs stored away in the rest of our camper. But this actually folds out and allows you to have more, so let's check that out. This dinette actually is so easy. I can do it myself. You just pull these out, and the top easily folds out, giving you more space. And you just set that down, and you have space for the whole family. Now, let's check out your living area. In your living room, you have lots of seating space for all of your guests. Behind me, we have a nice large couch, and it is super comfy. But one thing about this, it actually rolls over into a sleeping space. So if you have extra guests at the campground with you and they want to stay the night, this rolls out into a bed. And we do have some storage space up top. So if they want to store some of their items up there, they can. Or if you want to put some movies, books, or board games up there, there's lots of space to do that. We have a little ledge on both sides so you can set your drinks right here, maybe a little snack over in this area. And there also is an electrical outlet and 2 USB ports on both sides. Over on the other side, we do have our theater seats. So this is the perfect area to watch a movie from. These do recline, and you also do have some controls over here. So this is where you pop those seats out, and I think there's some more functions, maybe a heat setting it looks like, and some other things, so that's a nice touch. Also, this does come down, and you have more cup holders, and check this out. This actually comes up, and you have an electrical outlet and 2 USB ports, so you can charge your phones right here. And one cool thing about this area, we do have lots of windows for those gorgeous views, and we do have a light switch and a dimmer switch right here. So if you're watching a movie and you want to set the mood lighting a little bit, you can easily do that. But let's check out where we're going to be watching that movie at. Across from your theater seats is your entertainment center. And as you can see, they've given you this nice large TV. This is a really good quality TV in here, so you can watch movies from all over your camper. Also down here, we do have a little bit of open storage right here. So if you do want to put some video games in there, you can do that. Down below that is our indoor-outdoor speaker system. I showed you guys the speakers on the outside of this Montana, and that is where you control that from. Underneath, we have a nice fireplace. This works as just a light if it's during the summer, or during those colder winter months if you do want to use it as a heater. It does that as well. Up top, we have this very nice storage space. This is really deep, so you can store lots of things back there, but we actually have a secret storage space behind this TV, and that is where you can store all of your gaming consoles, video games, anything you want back there, because there is an electrical outlet to plug that in as well. Now, check out the rest of the camper. Entering our hallway, we do have this nice handle right here on the side. This is perfect for anybody going up the stairs or anybody with mobility issues. It's very large and very easy to grab, so you're not gonna have any trouble getting up the stairs. Also down at the bottom, you can see the inner vac system. That is a central vacuum put in your camper. So if you need to sweep anything up, it easily just sucks that right up for you and you don't have to do anything about it. Now, check out the bathroom. We have a full bathroom in this Montana, and as y'all can tell, it is so beautiful. Very light colored in here, and they've given you tons of storage. We have a cabinet right here and lots of countertop space and storage down below. There are plenty of drawers to put all of your toiletries, and under both sinks you have some storage. You can easily put cleaning supplies, a trash can, and they've even given you a place for your toilet paper. You have dual sinks in here, and over to my side we do have a step to flush toilet. But the best part is probably your shower. It is very large, and check out the shower head. Super nice, and it's detachable, so if you have a dog you need to wash, that'll be super easy. In here we also do have some built-in shelving for all of your soap, and there's a skylight in here, so if you like a little natural light in the morning to get ready, you have that built right in. Now, check out the private bedroom. In the front of your Montana is your private bedroom, and in here you have a gorgeous king-size bed, and they've even given you a couple of nice throw pillows as an added touch. Over in the bed area, we do have shelves on both sides for a glass of water, your phone, anything you want to place up there. You also do have an electrical outlet on both sides and 2 USB ports, so you can plug in all your tablets, phones, or a CPAP machine. Also in your bedroom, you do have tons of storage and closet space, so let's check that out. Across from the bed, you have this storage space over here. This is a dresser area, so you have tons of drawers to put all of your clothes. They even given you this little centerpiece. You can put tons of bags in here, shoes, kind of anything you want to place over here. You also do have countertop space, so if you want to use this as maybe like a little jewelry box area, and you even have your own TV back here. But probably the best part is the massive closet, so let's move over and check that out. Right beside of your bed is this massive closet space. They've even given you mirrors on the outside, so if you want to see yourself in the morning while you're getting ready, you can look at that. We have tons of storage in here. There are shelves in here, perfect for all of your shoes. They've even given you a hanging bar to hang up all of your nice clothes, and my favorite part, this is actually a hamper, so you pull that out and put all of your dirty clothes in there, which is super nice. So if you like this Montana or any other unit in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookeville.com, where your adventure awaits.